Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why your USPS package tracking is not updating. So sometimes your package is moving but tracking is not updating. With USPS, not every step is scanned in real time. So your package may be on the way even if you don't see the updates. Now packages are scanned at different checkpoints. If a scan is missed or delayed, tracking may stay the same for some time. So this usually updates once the package reaches to the facility. Now during busy periods as well, like holidays or sales, USPS handles a large number of packages, and this can also delay both the movement and tracking updates. So your package may be waiting in a sorting center. Now, if your tracking shows only label created, the sender may not have handed over the package yet. So in this case, USPS does not have the package. So in this situation, you just have to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours for the update. If there is no change, even after 3 to 4 days, you can just simply contact USPS or the sender for further help. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.